Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss algebraic methods of solving pair of linear equations in two variables. There are two ways of solving linear equations, pair of linear equations in two variables. Solving pair of linear equations in two variables. The first one is graphical method, which we already discussed in our previous video, and second one is algebraic methods. Under algebraic method we have three methods again. First one is substitution method, and second one is elimination method, and third one is cross multiplication method. Let us start with the substitution method. Exercise 3.3. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution method. That is our first method of algebraic methods. X plus y is equal to 14. This is what? Equation 1. And x minus y is equal to 4 is equation 2. So, pair of linear equations in two variables x and y. In substitution method means we will find the value of one variable in terms of another variable. There are two variables x and y. So, we find the value of one variable in terms of another variable. From equation 2, if x minus y is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 plus y. This is our third equation. Now, we substitute the value of x in terms of y in equation 1. Substitute x is equal to 4 plus y in equation 1. What is equation 1? X plus y is equal to 14. Now x is equal to 4 plus y. So 4 plus y plus y is equal to 14. So 4 plus y 2y is equal to 14. So 2y is equal to 14. Transpose 4 from LHS to RHS. So minus 4. 2y is equal to 14 minus 4, 10. Y is equal to 2y means 2 into y is equal to 10. So y is equal to 10. Here it is multiplying. So if it goes that side, it will divide. Y is equal to 10 by 2, which is nothing but 5. Now we will substitute the value of y in equation 3 so that we will get the value of x. Substitute y is equal to 5 in equation 3. What is equation 3? X is equal to 4 plus y. So 4 plus y is 5. So x is equal to 4 plus 5, 9. Therefore, x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5 is the required solution. Question number 2. S minus t is equal to 3. That is our first linear equation in two variables. And s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6 is the second linear equation in two variables. Here the two variables are s and t. Now, because we are using substitution method, we have to find the value of one variable in terms of another variable. So, if you observe from equation 1 easily we will get that. So, s minus t is equal to 3. So, s is equal to 3 plus t. This is our equation 3. Now, we substitute the value of s in equation 2 because this equation 3 we got it from equation 1. So, we have to substitute this value of s in equation 2. Substitute S is equal to 3 plus T in equation 2. What is equation 2? S by 3 plus T by 2 is equal to 6. S is nothing but 3 plus T. So 3 plus T by 3 plus T by 2 is equal to 6. So here we have to find the LCM. What is the LCM of 3 and 2? LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So here the denominator is 3. So 2 into 3 plus T plus 3 into T is equal to 6. So open the brackets. 6 plus 2T plus 3T by 6 is equal to 6. So 6 plus 2T plus 3T 5T is equal to cross multiplication. If you do 6 6 are 36. So 5T is equal to 36. Transpose 6 from LHS to RHS, so it becomes minus 6. 5T is equal to 30. T is equal to 30 by 5, that is 6. Now this value of T we substitute in equation 3 to get the value of S. Substitute T is equal to 6 in equation 3. S is equal to 3 plus T. So 3 plus 6, that is 9. Therefore, S is equal to 9 and T is equal to 6 is the required solution. Question number 3. 3x minus y is equal to 3, that is equation 1. 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. This is our second linear equation in two variables. Here the two variables are x and y. So as we are using substitution method, from equation 1 we will find the value of one variable in terms of another variable. So y is equal to 3x minus 3. This is equation 3. We found value of y in terms of x from equation 1. So this value we will substitute in equation 2. Substitute y is equal to 3x minus 3 in equation 2. What is equation 2? 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. So 9x minus 3 into y is nothing but 3x minus 3, that is equal to 9. Now 9x, open the brackets, minus 3 into 3x minus 9x minus 3 into minus 3, minus of minus plus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 9. 9x minus 9x gets cancelled. So 9 is equal to 9, which is true. So equation 1 and 2 will have infinitely many solutions. Will have infinitely many solutions. Fourth one, 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. This is our first linear equation in two variables. And second linear equation is 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So we are using substitution method. So from first equation, 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. So 0.2x is equal to 1.3 minus 0.3y. So x is equal to 1.3 minus 0.3y by 0.2. So x is equal to 1.3 minus 0.3y by 0.2. This is equation 3. Now substitute x is equal to 1.3 minus 0.3y by 0.2 in this value of x. We got it from equation 1. So we will substitute this value in equation 2. Equation 2. What is equation 2? 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So x is nothing but 0.4 into x is nothing but 1.3 minus 0.3y by 0.2 plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Now open the bracket, or else we will find the LCM. LCM is nothing but 0.2. So 0.4 into 1.3 minus 0.3y plus 0.2 into 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Now open the brackets. 13 4s are 52. So here 2 decimal points. So 0.52 minus 4 3s are 12. 0.12y plus 2 5s are 10. So 0.1y by 0.2 is equal to 2.3. Here 0.52 minus 0.12 plus 0.1y. So this is nothing, one is negative, one is positive. So 0.12 minus 0.1, that is minus 0.02y is equal to, if you cross multiply 23 2s are 46. Here 2 decimal places 0.46. So 0.02y is equal to, if you transpose y from LHS to RHS and bring that 0.46 from RHS to LHS, 0.46. So 0.02y is equal to 12 minus 6, 6, 4 minus 4, 0, 0. So y is equal to 0.06 by 0.02, which is nothing but 3. Now this value of y we substitute y is equal to 3 in equation 3. What is equation 3? X is equal to 1.3 minus 0.3 y, which is nothing but 3 by 0.2. So 1.3 minus 0.9 by 0.2. 1.3 minus 0.9 is 0.4 by 0.2, that is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 is the required solution. Question number 5. Root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. That is our first equation. Root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. That is our second equation. Now from second equation we will find the value of x in terms of y. Root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Root 3x is equal to root 8y. X is equal to root 8 by root 3y. This is equation 3. Now substitute x is equal to root 8 by root 3y in equation 1. What is equation 1? Root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. So root 2 into root 8 by root 3y plus root 3y is equal to 0. Open the brackets. Root 2 into root 8, that is root 16 by root 3y plus root 3y is equal to 0. Root 16 is nothing but 4. 16 is a perfect square number, so root 16 is 4. 4 by root 3y plus root 3y is equal to 0. Here take y as common factor. 4 plus root 3 plus root 3 is equal to 0. as we all know, if A into B is equal to 0, either A can be 0 or B can be 0. Very clearly here it is y into 4 by root 3 plus root 3 is 0 means 4 by root 3 plus root 3 cannot be 0. So obviously y is equal to 0. Now substitute y is equal to 0 in equation 3. So equation 3 is x is equal to root 8 by root 3 into y. Root 8 by root 3 into 0. Anything into 0 is 0. So x is also 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 is the required solution.